Hello and welcome back. It's Helen Godden here and you're joining in with our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. We're up to December 15 and I'm working on this petal here on the far right hand side, and it's time for some more feathers, folks. Now the basis of all feathers is a paisley shape, a teardrop shape that you need to practice on paper until you are very at home with that shape and are able to reproduce it without having to overthink it. Let's get our centre vein in for our feather design. Now there's a great way to avoid building up that centre spine of a feather. Split those two lines apart. You can always add a bit of something extra down the middle, but it means you're not getting that heavy centre spine that often happens with a feather. And I just added a little stack of rocks right down through the middle there. So definitely practice that paisley shape before you launch into any feathers. So thanks again for joining me for our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long, and I will see you tomorrow on December 16. Bye bye.